Hi friends, in this we are going to discuss about the difference between pedigree, bulk and backcross method. First coming to the application, where it is used. Pedigree method is used in both self and cross pollinated species in both self and cross. It's only used in self pollinated species. It is used in both self and cross. And crossing in this pedigree method, crossing is done only once, but crossing is only done in once. In bulk method also crossing is done, but in backcross method is repeatedly done with the recurrent parents. Repeated crossing will be done, and many number of times. And F2 population smaller than bulk method and larger than uh, population will be smaller than bulk method, and hmm, and its backcross method is smaller than both the bulk and pedigree method. It's smaller than both the methods. And maintenance of records in pedigree method there will be maintenance of records whether, but in bulk method there is no maintenance of record, and backcross also there is no maintenance of records. Effectiveness equally effective with oligo and polygenic traits, and bulk also effective with oligo and polygenic traits, and in this also more effective with oligo genic traits such as disease resistance. Oligogenesis is governed by few genes, and polygenesis is the character which is governed by many genes. And this it's only effective with oligogenes, few, few, and it's both. Testing, extensive testing is required for before release of variety. There will be extensive testing is required. Extensive testing in this also required, but in extensive testing is not required in case of backcross. Why? Because um, new variety differ from old variety with in only one trait only, so no extensive testing in backcross. It takes 14 to 15 years. It takes longer than the pedigree method, and it's like 7 to 8 years. And breeding procedure, uh, small for same for dominant and recessive character, same for dominant and recessive character, but it will be differ for dominant and recessive characters. And adaptation variety released by this method has narrow genetic adaptation and and it's a wide adaptation, and adaptation is like the parent only, no increase or decrease. Narrow in wide and same. And use of this method is widely used, less popular and widely used. It is less popular, it both are used, widely used. And feature of new variety is differ from both parents. It's also differ from both because in this first crossing will be done in the both methods, but in this also crossing is done with mainly to incorporate to only one or two required genes to be transferred to other um, recipient variety. In this main backcross method is that the uh, transfer of it's a transfer of character from wild species or any other species to the um, agronomically adopted one, which is lacking one or two characters which are required, so that those two characters will be inserted that agronomically good one. Thank you guys. Please subscribe our channel for further videos, and for this pedigree bulk method see our different videos for how the pedigree method bulk method is done. This is a brief difference between all these three methods. Thank you. Please subscribe our channels. Any further videos, please see other videos for any clarification, detailed procedure for this pedigree bulk and backcross method. Please do subscribe and comment below any queries, any related issues, related problems. Thank you guys.